Alright, I want to do a quick overview and review of a thread checker. And ironically, I had never really given any thought to having one of these, but I ran across one of these online, and I'll put a link to it in the description. And I thought, you know, why not? Let me get this and see what it's like. Now, one of the things I really like about this thing is avoiding the whole grabbing the bolt that you're not sure the size of, grabbing the nut. Hopefully it's not something so big that you can't carry it to the local box store. Taking a ride to the box store, then going in there and fiddling with the one that they have on there, assuming it has all of the pieces that it's supposed to have, which it may not, like this one. Is it going to fit? Does it wiggle? Is this the right size? I'm not really sure. And you keep going till you get an educated guess, or at least somewhat of an idea of what you need in terms of size. Then you get back in the car, you come back home, and you proceed with whatever you were doing. Now, you've just wasted an hour of your time. You're probably going to end up going to the box store anyway, but wouldn't it be nicer to just have one of these? This is fairly decently constructed. It's made out of anodized aluminum. You can see the coloring. These bolts are fairly solid. They're not going to go anywhere. And the nicest thing is that if you're checking bolt sizes, for instance, let's go with this one. You can get it in there. You're not going to get that wiggle. It's going to be a little bit of room because you don't want it that tight that you're going to have to use a pair of pliers or something to get it in and out. Again, it goes in there with a decent enough fit that you got some wiggle, but then again, it's loose enough that you can get it in and out with ease. We'll do this one again. Give it a shot. Again, it's loose enough you can get it in and out with ease. Yet again, it's snug enough that you know for a fact that that's a 3/8 by 16 course, and you know what you got to get. Whereas at the store, now you have no idea, really. Sometimes those things are so beat up. So yeah, I really like the idea of having this. I'm glad I ran across it, and this is probably one of the shortest videos you're going to see on my channel, but I did want to share this with you. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, share and like it, and thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.